Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So we have yet another amazing Dollar Tree haul. I have so much stuff to share with you guys. I actually have to film another haul after this of Dollar Tree stuff because I am so behind and there's been so much good stuff recently at the stores. Dollar Tree has been Dollar Treeing and I have so much great stuff. A lot of hair stuff, beauty, and skincare, which is like all of my favorite things, and I know you guys love seeing the beauty and hair and skincare stuff as well, so I hope you're excited for this video. So I really hope you guys are excited to see what I got. I absolutely love doing Dollar Tree hauls on my channel, and if you do too, make sure you subscribe and also turn that little bell on. You'll get notified every single time I upload. And let's get on into the haul. Pink hair today. Bubble braids. We got the pink top on. It is a mood today, let me tell you guys. I filmed a little collab with these like hair colors and I'm just having so much fun. I've never had like a color in my hair before. First time ever. Okay, let's get into the haul. First up, let's start out with one of my favorite items at Dollar Tree. You can get this literally at any store and I use mine all the time. It's this gel beaded eye mask. I got the pink one. The one I have now, it's like literally on its last leg. I use it all the time. At night, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so hot. I like run to the freezer and grab this and just put it on. I just literally keep it on and fall asleep. The other day, I literally wrapped this around my knee because my left knee for some reason has been hurting. So at night, I will put it on my knee. So it's like kind of comes in handy for so many different things. When I have a migraine, oh my gosh, migraines are terrible, but this honestly really helps. So keep this in your freezer and it lasts a pretty decent amount of time. The one I've had now, I've had for about a year. And it just feels so nice and refreshing. It's just great also for just like a self-care at home spot. A little random find, and I couldn't remember if I shared these with you guys, but I just got these little baking cups. Cute for like little homemade desserts. On this 36 pack of these name brand colored pencils. The brand is Prang. This is a really nice brand, and I have been trying to get into doing like adult coloring. So this is just gonna be like a nice relaxing little thing to use. I hope I didn't show it. I feel like, did I show this to you guys? If I did, I'm sorry. Sometimes I forget what I showed you guys and what I haven't, but in case you missed it, great gift for like a teacher or if you have kids going into school. One of my favorite finds, I found this adorable American Apparel cropped tank top or to wear to the gym. It has like a really cute high neck, which I find really flattering. So when I saw this, I was like, no way. I had never saw like a cute little crop top like this before at Dollar Tree. This is a lady size small, and let's see the fabric content. It is 93% cotton and 7% spandex, which is amazing. No polyester. So total jackpot find. So freaking cute. Did a whole Instagram reel on this. It's the Be Pure Ultrasonic Face Mister. They launched this in the spring, but I don't think I showed you guys. It was for, I think, for Mother's Day. It is so good. I actually bought 2 backups. I'm not even kidding, just in case it breaks. So what you do is you put setting spray in here. You can put rose water. You can literally put any setting spray that you want to in here, and it's an ultrasonic fine mister. It even has like a little blue light. It's rechargeable by USB, which to me was amazing because usually the stuff at Dollar Tree, it's battery powered and it is a pain in the neck to get those little battery cases open. Oh my gosh, if you guys know, you know. But the fact that this was USB and it works so well. It also comes in a blue color too, but I could not believe it the first time I used it. I was like, holy cow, like this is something that you would probably see for $5 to $15. So if you guys find this, I've seen a bunch of these. Get about 2 to have like 1 as a backup, and also it's an amazing gift as well. So definitely like one of my favorite things that Be Pure has launched. This is not sponsored by Be Pure. I just absolutely love this. I don't have any setting spray in there right now, so I can't show you guys the mister, but it is so nice and fine, and it just makes your skin look so refreshed and like, ooh, like glassy. I have to tell myself not to go on and on because I will have you guys literally here forever. Okay, next up is another name brand find. This is the Guru Nanda. You guys know I love Guru Nanda. One of the things that they brought into the stores, and I think this retails for maybe like $5-6. It's the replacement Sonic brush head. This unfortunately does not fit on my toothbrush. I do have like a Sonic one. It doesn't fit on, and they're all like on the back. It fits a lot of different Philips Sonic Care electric toothbrushes. So I'm probably just gonna put this in a giveaway, but I thought this was a really cool name brand find. It's from Sassy and Chic. I love how like randomly you'll see Sassy and Chic stuff. Like you don't see it too often, but once in a while you will. They came out with these 2 packs. I have one in here because I'm currently been using one of the Precision Facial Razors. These are actually a dermaplaning razors to get the peach fuzz and the dead skin off your face. I love doing that. Estheticians, do not come for me, please. I just love doing this, and it's pretty easy to do it to yourself. It is very safe in my humble opinion, and they have these cute little razors. Let me show you guys. And you have to use these with a facial oil. I like to use a cleansing oil, and I have a tutorial for these on my Instagram as well. You can see here. So cute, and it folds up like that. So I love these. I use these all the time because your girl gets a mustache and hair on the sides and over here, and it's a whole thing. So I always have to have these, and I have to be pretty frequent in my use. It grows back quickly, especially in the stachel region. The blade is really nice. I've used so many different of those razors, so I feel like I'm pretty good at knowing which ones are good and which ones aren't good. Okay, next up is some hair items. I found this hair clip and I thought it was so cool. I was like, wow, look at this hair clip. It has like all these little, I don't know, what would you call it? Like, I don't know. But I posted about this hair clip on my Instagram stories, and someone said it looked like a chart of discolored teeth. And after that, I just cannot unsee it. I can't unsee what she said. So now when I look at this, I'm like, yeah, it does look like a chart of uncolored teeth, and there's like one brown one here. So I'm like, I don't know if I want to wear this. If it was like all one color, then maybe, but yeah, it looks like teeth. Next up, I found these name brand scrunchies, and I love these because they're actually activewear scrunchies. I really like this brand, Gimme. I have their shower scrunchies that they also sold at Dollar Tree. Really like those as well. So they say they're extra strong and they have a nice hold. So I can feel like there's a nice little grip in there, and you get 4 different scrunchies. So I always usually have my hair up when I work out. Once in a while I'll wear it down, but it's a little bit more rare. These will be great for the gym or going on walks, or if I'm just doing something where I'm gonna be really active. And I love that these are a name brand. So see if you guys can find these. I've seen them at a couple stores so far. And they're pretty neutral as well, like gray, black, and blue. I'm filming with the windows open. Had to wait for the ice cream truck to pass. So I found this Be Pure maternity collection, and they had this nipple balm with natural ingredients. And I was like, huh. First of all, I thought that was really cool to have a collection like that where it's like natural ingredients. And I will tell you guys, it is cacao seed butter, beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter and sorbic acid, and that is it. And I thought to myself, wait a minute, this is a giant lip balm, a giant natural lip balm. So that's what it looks like, and I thought that would be perfect. Obviously, if you are nursing mom, I would definitely try this out. But it's also free of, there's no fragrance, it's just simple ingredients, and I love that. So I did try it as a lip balm, and it's not really that moisturizing, to be honest. It's like a little bit more I would say stiff of a formula, but again, it really is supposed to be for like nipples, like if you're nursing. So if you guys are looking for an alternative use for this, try that out. Maybe you could layer it with another lip balm, but I thought that was just really cool that they came out with something with really simple ingredients. I found this collection from Be Pure again with these cute little star acne patches, and they were so cute. Some people were telling me though that this one wasn't good with the stars. I'm sorry if you guys can hear this weird beeping from outside, but They told me that these star ones don't work that well, but the regular Be Pure ones do. I really like pimple patches, so I like trying out different ones. On for 6 to 8 hours for best results. Patch will turn to white. That's interesting. So there's that. And then in this same collection, they had this Be Pure Hydrating Shimmer Serum with jojoba oil. So this is supposed to be for the face, but I was thinking, how cool would this be to like use as a body shimmer oil? Oh, if you don't want to like put it on your face. I know some people get a little bit like, you know, have sensitive skin, or, you know, maybe don't want to put it on your face, but as a body, like little summer moment with some shimmer, it smells really good. Yeah, I mean, you can see some of the glitter. It's kind of fun. You can put some on your chest. This is my workout top, by the way. It's so freaking cute. I also found these Yes To grapefruit exfoliating acid pads with 15% fruit acids, AHAs and BHAs. I love these exfoliating pads. I feel like they make your pores look not as like intense, and just to get off like that dead skin without having any sort of harsh exfoliant. This is a chemical exfoliant, so I really thought this was awesome. And let's see, is there any sort of like date on here? Okay, it doesn't say, but it says there's no parabens, SLS, or silicone. It says it helps fight breakouts, helps clear angry skin, helps balance skin without drying, and it keeps your pores clean. It has glycerin, lactic acid, it has aloe leaf juice, it has glycolic acid, sugar cane, orange fruit, lemon peel, some people might not like, and it has some radish root and vitamin C. So I hope you guys also can find this. I randomly find Yes To stuff at the stores. Like, it really depends on what store I'm at. This I just thought was so cute. It's this little bow, and I don't know, I've seen some people do like half up, half down. You guys know I like trying out different hairstyles. Half up, half down, and maybe put the bow back there. I thought might be like a cute little moment, so we'll try it out. Pick up another one of the Beauty Guru hair serums. You guys know how much I adore this. And they changed the packaging. It looks so good. I want to thank Beauty Guru for being so kind and working with me on today's portion of the video to sponsor me. I love their products so much, and unfortunately some of their products are being discontinued at Dollar Tree, so stock up while you can, you guys, because their products are so good. So I rave about them all the time. Their ingredients are 100% natural, and the owner of the brand, Dr. Nanda, he sources all of his ingredients from around the world. He goes and visits all the farms. He has his own peppermint farm. There's no peppermint in this, but he has his own peppermint farm in India, which I think is so cool. So you like a lot of quality control. He makes a lot of formulas in his office in California, and he's so like, I could rave about Dr. Nanda all day. He does different polls on his Instagram and his TikTok where you can tell him like input on the products he's coming out with, and I just think that is so freaking cool. Like, he really cares about the customers and what they want, and you really get to decide on the products and help him with the brand and product development. So check out his TikTok. I will link it for you guys down below. I never saw any other brand do that before. So speaking of the hair serum, this is amazing. You guys, my hair is so long, and I'm telling you, it is because I've been massaging this hair serum into my hair. My hair, I don't think, I've always had long hair, but my hair has never been this long before. You can't even see the full length because it's so long and I can't fit it all in the frame. But I am telling you, this stuff is magical, and so many people sleep on this. You have to get this. How cute is their new packaging too? So I will tell you guys the ingredients. It's coconut oil, castor oil, cedarwood, tea tree, rosemary, which is really big for growing hair, vitamin E, and keratin. Keratin's also in our nails. It's like naturally occurring, so he put that in here. All those ingredients together help to stimulate the scalp and hair growth. You just have to be consistent with it and massage it into your scalp. I like also using a massage brush to work it in. You could also put this all over your hair because it is a serum. They don't label it as an oil, they label it as a serum. So you can put it in from the top of your hair to the bottom of your hair. You can leave it in overnight. It's not going to dry out your hair or anything like that, so you don't have to be afraid of it. I've left this in overnight night. I put it in on days when my hair is like a little dirty, like today when my hair is a little bit dirty. I will leave this in and I will just go about, run errands, do whatever I have to do. And you can also put it in and slick your hair back into like one of those cool chic buns and put in some gold hoop earrings and just look really effortlessly cool. But what people don't know is that you're actually working on your scalp health and growing your hair, but you also look chic. So 100% recommend this, you guys. They have a couple different packaging forms that you might see, but just look for the Beauty Guru hair serum. Pick up these Ardell Aqua lashes. These are like water activated on the lash band. Need any sort of adhesive, like lash adhesive. That's the whole thing with this. I have had so many mixed reviews on these on my Instagram. Some people were like, they're really good. And then some people were like, oh my gosh, the band is so stiff. But the band on this one, it doesn't really look stiff, but I mean, I don't know, it might be. And then worst comes to worst, I was thinking you can maybe just apply them with glue. You can still use them as regular lashes, but the whole premise of this is that it's supposed to be like you dip the band in water and then you apply it. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to try, but I do hate a stiff lash band. I really do. I like something more flexible. So we will see, but I got the style Demi Wispies, which is like the classic Ardell. Okay, next I got the cutest little 3-piece mini sponge set. These are pink. They are so cute. I can't wait to use these for under eyes and use them in my next tutorial with you guys, but I thought those were so fun. If you've been following me, you guys know how much I love the LA Colors Nude Glam line. It is the best nude lipstick and I always stock up on these. So we have my 2 favorite colors. I'm so glad they relaunched these this year. Oh Teddy, which is like a brown nude, and then Pinky Swear, which is a pink nude, which is my personal favorite. So stinking pretty. You guys have to get your hands on these. If you see them, I buy like 2 to 3, and then I also like to give them as gifts. And then they also have new nude liners. This is Kindness. I think I probably already used it. That's why it's open, and I just want to share with you guys because I want to then use it in my next tutorial. And then this color is really pretty. It's like a mauvey darker shade, which would look really nice with the nude lipsticks. They also launched new Nude Glam lip glosses this year, which made me so excited. So I got 2 colors. This one I already opened because I've been playing with it. This is Promises. Promises is like a pinky nude. And this one's lighter. This one is Cuddles, which is a little bit brighter. Hopefully you can see on camera, but I was so excited. These are so pretty. So I am obsessed with this whole collection. The last item in the haul, we are ending this with a bang. It's the GOLI Superfood Vitamins, you guys. These retail for $20. This is actually the 60 count, which is crazy. The only thing is that the Best By date is June 2023, but so many people have been telling me it's just that, a Best By. So vitamins can still be efficient even after that date. So you can still use these into July and August. They're just saying they're best by June, so they probably can't sell them in like the regular store. Got these in the beginning of May and now we're in June. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, but so many people have told me that they are still safe to use, so I just thought this was such a cool find. It says take 2 gummies twice daily, and these have vitamin A, thiamine, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, folic acid, vitamin B12, pantothenic acid, iron, magnesium, zinc, sodium, and it has super greens and probiotics blend. So I'm excited to take these. I've heard some people say they actually give them some energy, so I was like, okay, we will try them out. My stores had so many of these, so let me know if you guys picked them up and what you think of these vitamins. Do you like the taste? Were you even able to find them? I know there's been other vitamins as well that people have been finding, like there's chocolate ones. I personally, sadly, have not found those yet. But I was seriously so excited to share this find with you guys. Actually everything, because I've been so impressed recently by everything at Dollar Tree. There is more, but this video is already long enough. I will save that for my next haul, which will hopefully be next week. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it if you did. Comment below and let me know what you found this week. Did you find any good stuff? Did you find the same stuff that I did? Let me know. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.